What's the meaning of bibliographical? Bibliographical. Bibliographical.
Bibliographical. Bibliographical. The term bibliographical refers to the study and description of books and other written materials, including their physical attributes, production history, and distribution. Bibliographical research often involves examining a wide variety of sources, ranging from library catalogs and auction records to publishers' archives and manuscript collections. The goal of bibliographical inquiry is often to establish the authenticity, provenance, and significance of a particular text or edition. This can involve analyzing typographical details, tracking changes in textual content over time, and identifying patterns of usage and circulation. Ultimately, the discipline of bibliography seeks to shed light on the material and cultural contexts in which written works are produced, circulated, and consumed.